Hi, I'm Onyi Azih. I'm the mother of two young boys, a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old, married to my husband here in Houston, Texas. I am a psychiatric physician assistant. And my husband and I are children of immigrants. Our families pushed us towards excellence, but one thing that wasn't talked about was childhood anxiety. Here's some tips to help parents deal with anxiety. Validate their emotions. Let them know that they're not alone in their feelings, that many people feel this way. They just may not say it. Also, you can teach them how to problem solve. They're going to experience these fears and anxieties through life, so teach them how to manage them. Definitely, as a parent, you want to let them feel their feelings and allow them to be okay with that feeling. When you're parenting a child with anxiety, it's very important to, one, try not to ask leading questions like, does this make you anxious? Are you afraid of this? You can ask open-ended questions like, how do you feel about this? Or making sure that they have space to express how they feel, giving them time to say it, even if it takes a while, because sometimes children need to find the words. Also, making sure that you give them a chance to be exposed to that anxiety. So teach them how to manage them. Teach them it's okay to have these feelings. And especially as a parent, know that it's okay to let them have these feelings. Give them a safe space to experience these things. Parents can contribute to anxiety unintentionally by accommodating it, like allowing your child to avoid school because they don't want to go for whatever reason. Even though they're anxious, it doesn't mean that you should shield them from it. As long as it's safe, allow them to experience how to maneuver around this anxiety. The way you can support your child is making sure that they know no matter what, you will always be there, you will always protect them, and they can rely on you whenever they need to talk about their feelings and what's happened to them. So, a way that you can differentiate between an anxiety that needs to be addressed by a professional is if it's interrupting activities of daily life. If your child is unable to communicate when they get back home, they're avoiding going outside at every measure, unable to eat, unable to sleep, things like that are definitely signs to go and seek help. All children can have social anxiety, fear of strangers. This is long-standing for weeks on end. It might be time to seek help. So there's help for everyone that needs it, no matter your background, your financial status. If you need help, there's a way that you can get it. I definitely want moms to understand that it's normal to struggle. It's normal to have anxiety and fears. It's normal for your children to have anxiety. I went through it. I struggled through it, but I finally sought the help, and you can too.